identity. Okay, let's get it. So what do you want me to do? Next, I'll check your identity to comply with the laws. Okay, so they want me to put my license in there. Putting my license in, and I'm going to get my $8. All right, got the license verified. So I already removed it. Am I supposed to put it back in there again? Okay.
Get ready to say cheese.
Cheese. Took my picture. It even say you look great.
Hold on.